Morning students, welcome to Sri Academy online platform. Class 8 Social Science Geography chapter number 8 Human Resources. Without wasting any time, let's go through exercise. First exercise is multiple choice question MCQs in which you have to choose the correct option from the following. First one is, which one of the following organization aims to develop the country's human resources? Option A, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Option C, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Next is, which one of the following is a densely populated area of the world? Option A, India. Option B, Eastern Europe. Option C, Southeast Asia. Option D, Northern Africa. Right option is option C, Southeast Asia. Next is, which one of the following is shown by population pyramid? Option A, literacy. Option B, skill. Option C, age group. Option D, all of these. Right answer is option C, age group. Next is, what is the average density population in the world? Answer, option A, 40% per square kilometer. Option B, 49% per square kilometer. Option C, 105% per square kilometer. Option D, 45% per square kilometer. Right answer is option D, 45% per square kilometer. Next is, which of the following are responsible for population change? Option A, birth rate. Option B, death rate. Option C, migration. Option D, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next is, match the column A with column B, in which you have to match column A with column B. First is population change. It match with increase or decrease thousand of population. Next is sex ratio. It match with number of females per thousand males. Next is death ratio, that is number of death per thousand of population. Next is birth rate, that is number of live birth per thousand of population. Next is growth rate, that is birth rate minus death rate plus migration. Now question answer. First one is, define distribution of population. Answer, the way in which population are spread across a given area is known as population distribution. Geographers study population distribution pattern at different scales: local, regional, national and global. A bushy junction in Cairo pattern of population distribution tends to be uneven. Next question, what is a population pyramid? Answer, a population pyramid, also called an age gender pyramid, in a geographical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population, which forms the shapes of a pyramid when the population is growing. Next is, write down the factors affecting distribution of population. Factors are geographical factor, social factor, cultural factor and economic factor. Next is, name the major components of human resources. Answer, the major components of human resources are food, shelter, water, agriculture and sunlight. Next is, what do you know about the unfavorable sex ratio? Answer, unfavorable sex ratio. An unfavorable sex ratio means that there is a lower number of females per thousand males in the population. Next is, write a short note on the literacy level of people in India. Answer, a people who can only read but cannot write is not literate. The literacy rate in the country is 7.04%, 7.04% and 82.14 for males and 65.46 for females. Kerala retained its position by being on the top with a 93.91% literacy rate, closely followed by Lakshadweep 92.28% and Mizoram 91.58%. Next question, what do you mean by the age structure of population? Explain in detail. Answer, the age structure of a population is the distribution of people of various ages. It is a useful tool for social scientists, public health and healthcare expert, policy analysts and policy maker because it illustrates population trends like rate of birth and death. Next question, describe the pattern of population distribution of the world with the help of map. Answer, population distribution means the pattern of where people live. World population distribution is uneven. Places which are sparsely populated contain few peoples. Places which are densely populated contain many peoples. Sparsely populated place tends to be difficult place to live. These are usually places with hostile environments. Example, Antarctica. Places which are densely populated are habitable environment, for example Europe. Next is, changes in human population is a natural phenomenon. How and why? Answer, human population change in the difference between the size of population from the beginning to the end of a certain time period. In other words, population change refers to change in the number of people during a specific time period. As a whole, the world population have not been stable, it has increased manifold. Next is, the growth of world's population was followed by India. Also explain the statement. Answer, the growth of world's population was followed by India also because currently India is the second most populated country in the world with more than 130 crore population, and India is just behind the population of the China. Now in India retaining almost 18% of global population, and this percentage is increasing with the every passing year. That's why the amount of global population is almost increasing by the contribution of India also. That's why we can say that the growth of world population was followed by India also. Next question, human resources are the most important resources of the country. Do you agree with the statement? Give reason in support of your answer. Answer, human beings are considered as an important resources because they make the use of nature to create more resources. They can do this as they have the knowledge, skill and the technology to do so. This ability is acquired by people on the basis of education received by them. Human resources refer to the human capital which can be make use of land and capital. Population become a human resource when there's investment made in form of education, health and training. On other hand, land is natural resource and physical capital includes tools, machines, buildings, raw materials, etc. If human beings are not there, a development of reason isn't possible. Without man, no country, city can prosper. So human beings are the important resource in nature. Next is, what do you know about the population composition? Explain its major components. Answer, the major components of population growth are birth rate, death rate and migration. Birth rate is the number of live birth per 1,000 person in a year. It is the major component of growth because in India birth rate have always been higher than death rate. Next question, distribution of world's population is affected by the different factors. What are these factors? Answer, topography. People prefers living in plains rather than plateaus and mountains since these areas are suitable for agriculture, manufacturing and also service activity. The Ganga Plain are one of the most densely populated area of the world, whereas mountains like Alps, Andes and the Himalayas are thinly populated. Next is climate. People generally stay away from extreme climate, very cold or very hot, like the Sahara Desert, the Russian polar region, Canada and Antarctica. Next is soil. Fertile soil offers optimal land for farming. Fertile plains like Brahmaputra and Ganga and in India and Nile in Egypt, Huanghe and Changjiang in China are highly populated. Water. People prefer to live in those places where fresh water is easily available, so the river valley are densely populated and the desert have less population. Minerals. Places with deposit of mineral are naturally more populated. Diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East led the people settling down in these areas. In India, the areas of Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand and nearby areas of Odisha see a high population distribution because of the presence of huge mineral deposits. Next is social factor. Areas with better housing, health facilities and education are more populated. Example, Pune. Better transport facilities also contribute to increase population of any region. Next is culture. Places with cultural or the religious import attract people. Example, Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City. Next is economical factor, that is industrial areas offer employment opportunities. A large number of people make their way into these areas. Example, Mumbai in the India and Osaka in Japan. Next question. Age structure help us to plan and evaluate various aspects of economic development. Explain with the help of diagram is used to show age structure gives different population pyramid. Answer. Each country will have different and unique population pyramid. However, population pyramid will be defined as the following: stationary, expansive, constructive. These type have been identified by the fertility and mortality rate of the country. First is stationary pyramid. A pyramid can be described as stationary if the percentage of population, age and sex remain constant over time. Stationary population is when a population contain equal birth rate and death rate. Next is expansive pyramid. A population pyramid that is very wide at the younger ages, characteristic of countries with high birth rate and low life expectancy. The population said to be fast growing and the size of each birth cohort gets larger than the size of the previous year. Constrictive pyramid. A population pyramid that is narrow at the bottom. The population is generally older on average as the country has long life expectancy, a low death rate but also a low birth rate. However, the percentage of younger population are extremely low. This can cause issue with dependency ratio of the population. This pyramid is more common when immigrants are factored out. This is the typical pattern for a very developed country, a high level of education. Next is differentiate between the following. First is differentiate between distribution of population and density of population. Distribution of population refers to the presence of a population in a region or a country. It shows scattered data of population in a region composed of diverse culture, religion and people. Next is another is density of population. The density of population, on the other hand, refers to the composition of the population in a square kilometer. The density of population gives numerical data on the count of the population. On the other side, distribution of population considered non-numerical data such as taste and culture, etc. Next difference is population of pyramid and population pyramid of India and population pyramid of Japan. So, population pyramid of India, the pyramid has a broad base which indicate a high birth rate. The birth rate in India is higher than the death rate. Also, the infant mortality rate is less due to improvement in the medical facilities. A high birth rate indicates that the number of people growing up also will be more. So this indicates a high population figure. Mumbai is the most densely populated place in India. India's pyramid has the shape of proper pyramid. Next is population pyramid of Japan. The base of pyramid is narrow. This indicates less birth rate when compared to the death rate. Since the birth rate is less, the number of children who grow into adults will also be considerably less, so the overall population is also less. Osaka is the most densely populated place in Japan. Japan's pyramid has the shape of upside down pyramid. Next is birth rate versus death rate. Birth rate is live birth per thousand mid-year population. Death rate is death per thousand mid-year population. Second, birth rate is also known as natality. Death rate is also known as fatality. Next, improvement in medical care has increased the birth rate. Improvement in medical care has reduced the death rate. Next, birth rate is also always higher than death rate. Difference between birth rate and death rate is called growth rate. Okay students, the exercise of this chapter is now completed. In next video we will discuss the another chapter exercise. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.